just recently read the statistics na ang Filipino daw, like 76 million are on their devices. 76 million. You go to a Starbucks, you go to a restaurant, lahat nakaganon sa restaurant. Hindi po sila nagdadasal before kumain. Sila po yung nasa cellphone nila. So, I always tell people, it's either this device use you or use this device to become wealthy. That is the choice that you have to make. Decision po ninyo yun. Either gamitin po nito to entertain yourself, manood kay Yorme, manood kay Tulfo, it's up to you, or use this device to make money. Alin po bang gusto ninyo? Si Tulfo o pera? Type in sa ating pong chat box. I'm not against with Tulfo. I think they're all nice, it entertain people, but mapera na si Tulfo. Hindi po ba dapat panahon nyo na? Kayo naman ang kikita. Yung mga pinanonood po ninyo mga artista, I'm not against them. Telenovela. Guys, mayaman na sila. Okay? Mayaman na si Coco Martin. Hindi ba dapat kayo naman yung yumaman? It's about priorities, guys. That's all it is. Pag-aaralan po ninyo ang entrepreneurship o yung mga naging successful entrepreneurs, mapapansin po ninyo dyan, may bata, may matanda, may single, may married, may anak, may magaling sa eskwela, merong hindi magaling sa eskwela, merong mayaman na magulang, merong hindi mayaman na magulang. Wala pong common denominator kung titingnan niyo. So anyone can become an entrepreneur as long as you commit yourself to entrepreneurship. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.